Alright guys, welcome back to doing this house. Again, we keep on hitting up some of the same houses. You know, I don't know why. I told them let's do that greenhouse, but they don't want to jump a fence. So we're just doing houses that don't have fences right now, guys. And we're doing houses with decks. We're about to run up this fucking hill filled with ice. Do your knees hang low? Do they wobble to the floor? Can you time it or not? Look at that fat ass motherfucker. Oh shit. They just got caught. Oh shit.